Coming in at number 1 is going to be Nautica Blue. This is a very nice aquatic fresh fragrance. This is something you're going to be able to find at most stores like TJ Maxx or Ross, between $15 and $20 most of the time. It doesn't perform as well, but it's still a very nice fragrance. It's very fresh, and it's something that you want to carry around with you, say as like a portable fragrance, because you will need to apply multiple sprays of this throughout the day. This next one is a personal favorite of mine. It is St. Kitts by Tommy Bahama. This is an amazing fragrance. It smells absolutely fantastic. Another very fresh, lightweight fragrance that you're going to need to carry around or spray a lot of this to really make it project, because it does kind of fade very quick, but it has a fantastic smell to it. With St. Kitts, you're going to smell a lot of citrus. You're going to smell kind of a lot of tropical vibes. I think it's named after an island or something. But again, another really nice fragrance from Tommy Bahama. This next fragrance, St. Bart's, is also from the house of Tommy Bahama. Very fresh fragrance, has a very amazing smell to it. The thing I like about this is it's very aromatic. It's got a very citrusy scent to it. So you're gonna kind of smell that punch when you smell it first, but it does dry down, of course. At $15 to $25 per bottle, that's what you're gonna most of the time find it for. You're gonna get about 2 to 3 hours worth of performance on this, so not the greatest, but again, it's a summer fragrance, and most summer fragrances don't last that long. Now, this next one is a bit controversial because a lot of people wear Dior Sauvage. I love the smell of it. I think it smells absolutely amazing. It's also going to be a very citrusy, kind of more woody fragrance, so keep that in mind when you do buy it. It's got a little bit more punch to it because it's a parfum. I found that the toilette, in my opinion, smells better and lasts longer than the actual parfum, which is something that you typically don't find. So keep that in mind when you do go to smell these, is that there's 3 versions. There's the toilette, there's the parfum, and then there's the Eau de Parfum. I recommend staying with the toilette or the Eau de Parfum. Stay away from just the straight parfum because it's not going to last as long, but it's still going to outperform the other ones that I mentioned in getting you 5 to 6 hours worth of performance. Guys, this one right here, Kilian, Rolling in Love. This is an absolutely amazing fragrance. It's going to be the most expensive at $240. You get it at Saks. It's going to last you 8 to 12 hours. It smells very floral. It's also got some almond in there. It's just a very sweet fragrance overall in general. I love it. I love the way it smells. It's my number 1 compliment getter. And I don't wear this every day because it's very strong. When you really want to smell good, break this out because it is a showstopper. Another thing I want to hint on is that the projection of the other fragrances is not going to be as good as this one. You're paying $240 for the fragrance, but you're getting that value's worth with the performance. Last thing I want to say about Rolling in Love, you got to be kind of bold to pull this off. This is not for the shy guy. This is what you want to wear if you have some personality. So guys, that's a decent range to start out with if you're looking for a fragrance this summer. I recommend the cheap stuff. I recommend the expensive stuff. You're buying them for different reasons. That's the thing you have to remember, but you are getting your money's worth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And with that being said, I'm Robert. This is GentStyle, and I will see you in the next video.